Headed to Exponential 2026? Don't miss these partners, panels, and dual use innovations in Detroit. May 8th, 2026, by Miriam McNabb. Leave a comment. From May 11th 14, the annual AUVSI Xponential conference will bring the global autonomous systems industry to Detroit. This year's conference arrives at a moment when uncrewed systems, AI, advanced manufacturing, and resilient supply chains are becoming increasingly tied to both commercial and defense priorities. Exponential has steadily evolved into one of the leading showcases for dual-use technology. Visitors can expect to see everything from autonomous inspection platforms and BVLOS connectivity systems to advanced manufacturing workflows designed to support domestic production. For DroneLife readers attending the show, several partners, clients, and industry friends are worth adding to the schedule. Please visit our partners and mention DroneLife. They keep our content free to our readers. Keynotes and sessions not to miss. This year's conference program features several sessions focused on manufacturing, autonomy, and operational deployment at scale. This is a hot topic in the industry as the U.S. and allied manufacturing base races to scale. Among the featured presentations is a growing conversation around how the U.S. drone industry is approaching advanced manufacturing and localized production. HP Additive Manufacturing Solutions. HP Additive Manufacturing Solutions has emerged as a leading voice for new solutions in drone development and manufacturing. HP Additive Manufacturing will host 2 sessions focused on additive manufacturing and drone production. Building Smarter, Flying Further, the role of additive manufacturing in next-generation UAVs. Tuesday, May 12th, 3 p.m., 3:20 p.m. EDT, Room 140D. Speakers: Gino Balistreri, Unmanned Systems Head at HP Additive Manufacturing Solutions; David Mazzo, Head of UAV Technology Group at HP Additive Manufacturing Solutions. Design for Manufacturing, Building in the USA. Wednesday, May 13th, 11 a.m., 11:55 p.m. EDT, Innovations Theater. Speakers include Douglas Nicklin, HP Additive Manufacturing; Paul Fermo, President, Robinson Unmanned; James McClaren, CTO, Blue Flight; Nate Gorzin, Cobra Moto. The sessions are expected to focus on how digital manufacturing and additive production methods are changing the economics and speed of drone development in the United States. At booth number 22008, HP plans to showcase UAVs and UUVs produced using HP multi-jet fusion technology, including systems designed with lightweight geometries and consolidated assemblies intended to reduce weight and failure points. Robinson Unmanned joins the manufacturing conversation. Robinson Unmanned and Ascent Aerosystems will also participate in the Building in the USA panel discussion through President Paul Fermo. Robinson has been building helicopter aircraft in the U.S. for decades. Now, they are leveraging that expertise and manufacturing capacity to scale the manufacture of. The company is known for rugged coaxial drone platforms designed for industrial, public safety, and defense-related applications. Its participation highlights the growing overlap between commercial operational demands and defense-oriented system requirements. Paul Fermo will also participate in the Wednesday, May 13th keynote discussion in the Grand Riverview Ballroom. Why here? Why now? From where it's built to how it scales. Visit our friends and partners on the show floor. Blue Marble Geographics. Booth 17011. Blue Marble Geographics develops geospatial software tools designed to help organizations turn spatial data into operational insight. The company focuses on connecting office-based geospatial analysis with field operations and data collection workflows. Census Technologies. Booth 38010. Census was founded by researchers and cybersecurity practitioners focused on real-time internet intelligence and visibility. The company works to provide operational insight for security teams and analysts through large-scale data collection and analysis. Elsight. Booth 24037. Elsite's Halo platform has become widely known in the BVLOS sector for combining multiple LTE, 5G, RF, and satellite links into a single communications pipeline. The company's connectivity technology supports drones and other unmanned systems operating in challenging environments. Korean Pavilion, Booth 32,026. The Korean Pavilion, organized through KOTRA, the Korea Trade Promotion Agency, will feature multiple companies from South Korea's growing autonomous systems sector. Participating companies are scheduled to include Airbility, Argostein, Astro X, Cockle, Hunade Technologies, JRK Vision, Kenkoa Aerospace, Nanyang Nexmo, Narma, and Volaland. HP Additive Manufacturing Solutions, Booth 22008. HP's booth will focus on additive manufacturing for UAV and UUV production, showcasing systems designed and manufactured using HP multi-jet fusion workflows. Visitors can expect demonstrations focused on lightweight structures, scalable production, and digitally driven manufacturing models. Rees LL, Booth 37036. Rees develops custom software, AI, machine learning, and emerging technology solutions. The company also works with autonomous systems and advanced operational technologies for enterprise and industrial customers. Skyfish, Booth 34019. Skyfish will showcase its NDA-compliant Osprey drone platform, designed and manufactured in the United States for ISR and high-precision photogrammetry applications. The company says the platform combines advanced sensors, robust flight performance, and high-accuracy aerial data collection for commercial and defense-related missions. XPO NENTIAL's expanding role. As autonomy technologies continue to move into critical infrastructure, logistics, defense, public safety, and industrial operations, Exponential increasingly reflects the convergence of those sectors. This year's Detroit event is expected to showcase not only new aircraft and software, but also the manufacturing methods, communications systems, AI tools, and operational infrastructure needed to scale autonomous systems in the years ahead.